Hello everyone, my name is Intan SELIA Rambu NGUJU. You can call me Intan. I am from class BB221. I live in Tugas 4, number 6. Okay, thank you for the time for me and opportunity given to me. I will discuss about Photoshop. Definition of Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop, commonly referred to as Photoshop, is an image editing software developed by Adobe System, specialized in photo editing and image manipulation, as well as creating effects. The function of Photoshop include enhancing images, manipulation graphic, and creating design artwork. Advantages of Adobe Photoshop. Number 1. It produces more stunning images. Number 2. It is easy to operate. Number 3. It offers a wide range of superior features. Number 4. It can be used to create text white designer effect. For those who want to create unusual and amazing text, Photoshop is the answer. Disadvantages of Adobe Photoshop. Number 1. The use of multiple layers can cover when working with Photoshop. Number 2. Photoshop is less suitable for magazine and brochure design as it may not handle paragraph layout perfectly. Number 3. It requires larger file size if multiple layers are used extensively. The Photoshop file size can become large. Number 4. When printing Photoshop output, it can be relatively challenging to select suitable paper. We use Photoshop. There are several reasons why someone may choose to use Photoshop. Number 1. Powerful image editing tools. Photoshop is a highly powerful and comprehensive image editing software. With its wide range of features and tools, Photoshop allows users to perform detailed and complex image editing. Number 2. Ability to edit images professionally. Photoshop is commonly used by photographers, graphic designers, and other creative professionals. Photoshop is a popular image editing software widely used in various industries. Some industries that often utilize Photoshop include: Number 1. Graphic design. Photoshop is used by graphic designers to create and edit various types of design such as logos, posters, brochure, illustration, and other graphics. The powerful tools and features in Photoshop enable designers to produce creative work with high precision. Number 2. Photography. Photoshop is an essential tool in digital photography. Photographers use Photoshop to edit and enhance photos, adjust lighting, fix color, remove unwanted elements, combine multiple images, and perform retouching on pictures. However, Photoshop is not limited to the above industry. It can be used in various files that require high precision image editing and manipulation. At how Photoshop is one of the most popular and powerful image editing software. There are also alternative similar applications available. Some Photoshop alternatives for image editing include: Number 1. Adobe Lightroom. Lightroom is a specialist application for photo editing and management at home, not as comprehensive as Photoshop. Lightroom provides powerful tools for editing and organizing photos with a focus on photography. Number 2. Affinity Photo. Affinity Photo is a rapidly growing image editing application considered as a serious alternative to Photoshop, with intuitive interface and powerful feature. Affinity Photo has become a cause for many users seeking a Photoshop alternative. So my discussion for me. Thank you. Bye bye.